Hi, I'm Kari, and you're watching what? This is gonna be my vlog on gardening. I'm actually taking my concrete garden and turning it into a forest little by little, and I'm doing it with the help of my friend Jonathan and with my 6-year-old. This is going to be quite an interesting ride. Today is the 29th of April 2020. We're in the middle of all of this stuff with the coronavirus, and I'm on a desert island on the island of Aruba, and I'm going to show you how I will, by careful application and the things that we cultivate, I'm going to make the desert bloom. Thrive with me. Let's go along for this ride. It may take years, but we're going to do it little by little. We're going to be doing a lot of permaculture as well as polyculture. And we're going to see how these things actually benefit the healing of the soil, the restoration of the soil. It's now very dry, sandy, gritty soil that we have. It's not really great. But we're going to actually make soil. We're going to do it organically. And we're going to do it holistically. And it's going to feed ourselves, plus feed our friends. And hopefully we're going to be able to sell some food as well as because I'm in the food business, and hey, I'm going to be able to use the food for the work that I do on my chefandsteward.com blog. So follow me. I'm on Facebook, I'm on Twitter, I'm on Instagram, I'm everywhere at Chef and Steward. You can also follow my radio show at Thrive with Kari, and my blog is chefandsteward.com. Much love, blessings. See you soon. I'm going to actually give you a tour of my garden. So here it is right now. Let's walk and talk. And over here, the little plants That's callaloo. Those are my tomatoes. These are some spring onions that I cut from the supermarket and just returned to the top. In here I have a mixture of things because I ran out of soil, so I just use this pot for like a lot of germination. I have moringa coming up, and I have quite a few seedlings of callaloo. I have no idea what kind of tomatoes those are. We'll just have to see. I forgot what was on the package. These are Madame peppers and Annie peppers. Tomato. This is lemongrass. Ginger is coming along here, and there's also ginger coming along here. There's actually sprouted here. These are, I believe these are gonna be weeds. I'll just wait for a while to be sure. But
I pull out the weed. I pull out the weed.
Where did you pull a weed from? Out of my...
Here.
Where?
Here.
What's...
But I also put...
Are you sure it was a weed?
Yeah.
I'd rather you pull out the weeds only from the soil. Like this. And that one. Thank you so much for your help. So there's also another area here. So it seems as if my beds have pretty much been selected for me, but I have a lot of work in terms of clearing up all of these things. This is this beautiful flowering tree. I think it's a frangipani. This space here is actually wide enough to park 2 cars along here. So that's quite a bit of extra space in the front as well. It goes up to this line of the wall. I also have space along here. Now I have bougainvillea in on here and here. There was another bougainvillea here, but it was uprooted. So there's a little space here as well to utilize. And I may replace the bougainvillea with other things. And I do want to have a mixture of flowering plants still for the bees. and the birds and stuff to replicate nature. Here's another area that could be used, especially along the borders on each side. So there are lots of opportunities, lots of spaces. There's even here utilizing space efficiently, creatively to turn what is right now a concrete jungle of a backyard with all these stones, a gravel jungle into a food jungle, a food forest in on a desert island, trying to not only I say that it's a desert island because that's important.
You have to dig along
The,
the start.
the quality of the soil is not very great. It's very sandy. So it doesn't really retain water.
God bless you.
And this is also something great to do with a kid who is in quarantine and really, really tired of being indoors.
And I love digging.
This is like his favorite thing to do in the yard anyway.
At least I have.
That's actually a really good method, Elijah. I think there's some wisdom to what you're doing. All rocky everywhere, pathways. It's very windy now. It's pretty much what we have to work with: concrete and limestones, decomposing granite all around the property, with just a few spaces left out for a few trees. And this is what I have to start with. I'm grateful for it, and I'm going to apply the best practices. And we start with one area at a time because it's a huge project. Not because its land space is huge, because it's just about 365 square meters, but because the work of getting up this gravel is so expensive, it's so hard. So anyway, if you want more, join me on chefandstewart.com and subscribe for more.